Flowmaster and 6.1 headers, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. Not bad. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, you gotta go through, eh?
Get the straight pipe guy going.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Did you fix the pipe?
That'll be 2 weeks away.
2 weeks? Yeah. That's not bad.
Is that straight pipe? No cats. No cats. That's not bad when it idles though.
Really, bro. What do you have on there?
It's flowmaster.
Flowmaster.
Yeah.
But you got long tubes on there, right? Or something?
Yeah, it's the 6.1 headers. Fitment headers.
That's not bad. Can we
Yeah.
take a hero on this one? Flowmaster, eh? All right.
I think mine were just flowmaster from like 2010 or something. I don't even know. Very first phone.
What made you decide to do 6.1 headers?
That's how I bought it.
Oh, you bought it like that?
Bought it like that.
Yeah.
6.1.
I couldn't imagine that job.
Well, I'm not fucking ever doing manifold
It's got like
headers on my
it's got
car.
like a custom X pipe in it. It's fucking wild. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
I took it to the. I had to get a safety. When I took it to get a safety, guys like, man, this is like the 6th exhaust I've seen. Like,
Yeah.
done anyway, right?
Yeah.
Legit exhaust, not like a fucking straight pipe.
Yeah.
I know, right? Not to.
They'll cut everything out of it.
Yeah, yeah.